Hey, what's up, guys? It is Paul Farmer from Frigid, Texas today. Pretty cold today. Um, anyway, today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing with you my results from last week within Power Lead System. If you don't know what Power Lead System is, it's a marketing tools and training platform that has an insane compensation plan. It has what's called sales funnels that convert with cold traffic. Cold traffic just means you don't know who they are. They're basically strangers. You never had a conversation with them. And it converts with cold traffic, which is phenomenal. And I'm going to go ahead and show you my proof, my results and proof for the week, so you can kind of see what's going on. Now, I did make a little post here. You can see some of it right here on my wall. And we do have a recording of our webinar we did on Sunday, because every Sunday our team Freedom Takers, that's the name of our group, Freedom Takers, goes and does a webinar where we share our results and we share how we're doing it, and it's really powerful. So definitely check that out. You can go to my blog, paulgfarmer.com, or go here to paulgfarmer.com/150 daily, and you can get access to that training. Okay, so let me just get right to my results real quick here. Let's go to my email, and that would be right here. Okay, so here we are in my email. I pulled it up. I have a separate folder for these, but there's 424 entries, and what that means is each one of those is a sale. Now, that may be a sale from me, or that could be a sale for my team, because there's a lot of leverage built into Power Lead System. Now, I do want you to understand that I started this program back in April of 2015. April of 2015. We're now in January of 2018. So I've been with this program quite a while. And during that time, I'd say the majority of that time, I wasn't using the compensation plan. All I was really doing was using the product. I was using the tools. I was using the training. That's mainly what I was doing, but I really wasn't making much money within Power Lead System itself. It wasn't until September, late September of 2017, we just passed that, where I decided to get serious about this program, where I really realized how simple it was to create 500 plus days. I've just been focused on that ever since, and it's really been paying off, as I'm going to show you. Okay, so the beautiful thing about this is, as you look at these results, you can do this too. This is really a simple system. There's not much to it. Literally, we give you the funnel to use. So a funnel is basically a capture page, a sales page, and a follow-up series. If you don't understand what that is completely fine. We teach you what all that is, so you'll learn that as you go. Just understand, it's basically a machine. It's basically a system that's going to help you make money in a simple manner. It just simplifies everything. Okay, so I'm just going to go through this. 424 entries, and this is my week. Okay, so we're just going to scroll through. When you see the gold member, these are $20 sales. Now, they may have been passed up to me from my team, so I'd make 50% matching bonus on my pass ups. Whoever you bring into the business at the gold level, you make 50% matching bonus. That means if they make $500, you make $250. If they make $1,000, you make $500. You don't do anything. They're just going out doing the work. You're getting that as a bonus. It's really fantastic. There's a lot of leverage built in, but as you can see, we're getting golds, diamonds, gold, diamonds. There's a fast start bonus. Okay, that's a $400 sale. Diamonds are $100, or they could be $25 from your team, because you get 25% bonus. Okay, so 100, 400, and then you see just every single day. I won't go through them all, but every single day, you just look at the dates here. It's consistent every single day. I think I missed like maybe 2 or 3 days since September where I didn't have a sale come in. So, really the whole point of this thing is you get your funnel, you get traffic to your funnel, you teach your team to do the same, and this is what happens. Okay, and really I'm not that far into it. I kind of say like I started over, right? that time from April 2015 to September of 2017, I wasn't really promoting. I wasn't all into my business. I didn't have all the products. I wasn't positioned to earn the most. So I highly encourage you, when you do get started, to not make the mistakes I made and be sure to purchase all the products. So that's gold, diamond, platinum, and that's going to be about $700 out of your pocket. And that's it. And then you pay $53.97 for gold per month. That's your residual income. You want that. You want residual income, okay? Because each month, if you do what we're teaching you, when you do what we're teaching you, that residual income is going to keep growing and growing and growing, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And residual income is great because that's income that comes in regardless of what you do. That comes in month after month after month after month. And that's really what you want. So when you follow what we do, that's what happens, okay? And then you can just see all the dates: fast start bonus, gold, 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 diamond, diamond, gold. A customer, when you see customer, that basically means it's $20 sale. They are not an affiliate, so if they don't promote, you will not earn 50% matching bonus off them, but you will make $20 a month from them. And that just means that they're using the products. Okay, so there is a customer side. It's not just affiliate. Affiliate is optional. You don't have to be an affiliate. You can be a customer, just use the tools, market whatever you want to market. That's the beautiful thing about Power Lead System, is you can use it for anything. Doesn't matter what you're promoting, you can use it. So you can just see, I'm still in January here. This is January. Fast start, diamond, fast start, gold, 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 diamond. Okay, so you get the idea. And these just go on and on and on. If I were to continue to click, you can just see the dates, watch the dates. I have other videos where I show this as well. You can just see like day after day, sale, 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 sale. Okay? And I'm not doing anything fancy. I promise you that. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not doing anything you couldn't do. This is totally something you can do. We have brand new people getting results like within days. I had a guy just last night. He started following what we have set up, and he's getting sales now, and he's excited and never had success before. So this is the real deal. And as you can see, the proof's in the pudding. It's just there. You can see it, okay? So anyway, that's that. Let's hop over to my commissions earned. So I want to show you that, okay? So this week just began. I'm coming up on $400. Just began. This is Tuesday. The week just began, okay? So I'm going to go back to the week of December 31st, right here, January 6th, just to show you this, okay? So that's just about $3,500 in a week, okay? So I would say that's a full-time income for many people, for most people. I mean, I've talked to many people that don't even get paid $2,000 a month. So I would say that's a full-time income. And as you can see, it pays to have all the products. You can see that, okay? So that's that week. Let me show you the next week, which is, let's see here, this one here. This is a week that just completed, okay? It's less. I don't know why it's not reading. Oh, there it goes. It's less, but still, we're over $2,000 for the week, So, and remember, I just started getting serious about this in September, okay? Late September. I just started getting serious, and I literally just follow the training that is provided in this group, Freedom Takers. This group is free to join. We opened it up to everybody, so you can come in, you can see what's going on. As I scroll through, though, you're going to see many people. So before I show you the results other people are having, let me just show you this, okay? So you come in, you go to the Getting Started. We're going to welcome you into the group. You want to read over this, okay, the pen post. You want to read over this. If you're on your phone, you're going to have to click read pen post to read it. Then you're going to want to come over to the file section. We just click on the file section. And we have all kinds of training in here on anything you can think of. How to set up your funnels, getting started. We have a traffic co-op, so if you don't want to go out and get your own traffic, we have a traffic co-op that literally you just drop in your link, you pay your payment, and traffic is going to go out for you. You don't have to worry about finding vendors or anything like that. It's very simple. People love this. People are getting great results with this. We have Facebook training. we have all kinds of stuff going on in here. You can come in this group and check it out yourself. Fiverr training, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so I'm going to come back here. We're just going to do a quick little scroll. I'm not going to go too far into this, but just want to show you some of the stuff. So here we have Kelly. Kelly just got an all-in sale. Now what that means is she just made $520 because she's positioned to make the most money, and someone decided to join her and do that as well because it's just a wise decision. So she just made $520. And I'm telling you guys, it's not just me, and you'll see that when you come in this group. This is Roy. Roy just had a gold sale come in. Okay, so he had another gold sale come in. So here we have another all-in sale that just came in. Okay, this came in on Sunday. So you can see people are posting their proof results. It's very exciting. Here's a new gold member that just arrived. Okay, so we have all kinds of people. This person just went to the diamond level, which is very exciting. That means they're positioned now to earn $100 commissions, plus the gold, of course. And you can just see, like, there's just new people being added into the group all the time. Here's a diamond sale. Here's someone posting about getting leads. And you can just scroll through. When you get in the group, I mean, we post. Here's another diamond sale. Gold member. So we got it all covered here. Here you can see just insane results. We got Fast Start bonus, diamond member, gold member, diamond, Fast Start. You can just see diamond. So you can see just, I mean, I just scrolled a little tiny bit in this group, and you can see the results that people are getting. So it's not just me. I want to make that point clear. It's not just me. We have brand new people. We have people that have struggled to make money online, and they never made a dime, and now they're making money. And the reason they're doing it is because we simplified the process. We provide you with a done-for-you system that's ready to go pretty much out the box. It's a couple quick steps. You watch a Fast Start training. It takes you maybe 30 minutes. You're ready to go. You know what to do. You plug into our training. We do a weekly Sunday training. Like I said at the beginning, you can go find that on my blog, paulgfarmer.com. And quite literally, everything you could ever need is here. Okay, so you have a quality system, you have marketing, training, and you have your support. So there's really nothing else you need to make a full-time income online. Just plug into what we teach and you'll get there. Okay, so with that, I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click on the link right below this video and go through my funnel. Go through it so you can see it firsthand, see what it looks like. It's very simple. The beautiful thing about it is we didn't do anything fancy. We're literally using a done-for-you funnel, and it just freaking works. Okay, so if you're on the fence, if you're wondering if you can do it, you absolutely can, but you can't do it on the fence. You got to take a step forward. You got to click the link. They got a 7-day free trial. Get in. My suggestion, my recommendation, I would not be making what I make if I was not all in. Simple as that. Get all in, take it seriously, and change your life in 2018, because that's what this can do. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.